What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. That's right, you've read it correctly. This isn't a clickbait title. Today is the day that I'm saying goodbye to my Triumph Speed Twin. I've owned my Triumph Speed Twin for a few years now, and this bike was what helped me start this YouTube channel. I got this bike right after I got in an accident with my Triumph Rocket 3. I was really looking for something different, and I just fell in love with this Bonneville-styled roadster from Triumph. The aesthetic, the performance, the comfort, everything about it. I just really love this bike, and I went on to put about 15,000 miles on the bike. I did a ton of modifications to this bike and made videos about all of it. I removed all the body parts and powder coated the aluminum stuff to black. I installed a ton of parts, including just regular maintenance items, a few performance items. I made videos for just about every single modification I have done on the Triumph Speed Twin. Working on the Triumph Speed Twin was a ton of fun, and it was even more fun making content for you guys. I really loved all the feedback, and I appreciate all the nice words you guys have said. I have tuned the bike using Tune ECU. I've gone to plenty of bike rallies and bike meets. Gone to a few demo events as well. I've gotten a ton of fans, both online and local. I've taken this Triumph Speed Twin on a bunch of trips so far, hours of riding on the highway. I've gone on adventures with my friends and enjoyed the open air through the countryside. Made a ton of memories with my buddies, gassing up at all the gas stations and making jokes and just ripping around on the open road. Visited a lot of local Rochester restaurants, bars, and coffee shops. I've ridden in the rain, I've ridden in the snow, winter, summer. I've even taken my bike off-road a little bit. Never really pushed the Speed Twin to its limit, but I definitely had a fun time ripping it around off the pavement, on some trails, fire roads, dirt roads, just whatever I could get on. This thing is great at carving corners, going through the twisties. I've taken some pretty racy routes in western New York, and going the speed limit, of course. I've gotten in some trouble too. Raced my friends. Gone up against sport bikes. Gone up against built Harleys. I put the smackdown on a lot of bikes, and I've also gotten my ass whooped a few times by some sport bikes. But overall, this bike does fairly well in the performance department. Definitely not the fastest, but faster than most of the bikes out here, which tend to be cruisers. I even had my bike dynoed and made a good amount of horsepower and torque. If you want to hear about all this stuff, check out my video. I actually did an ownership review on this thing. Go check out the rest of my videos if you care to see more of the Triumph Speed Twin. I really wanted a motorcycle that suited my more casual country riding style a little more, and I also want a bike that's a little bigger, something that fits me a little better. So leave in the comments what kind of bike you think I should get. Once again, thank you so much for all the love I've gotten from you guys. Thanks to all the Speed Twin owners that have tuned into my videos. This is the end to a great era. I can't wait to show you guys what bike I'm getting next. So if you like what you saw, please give this video a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Peace.